Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I'm here to show you an amazing opportunity. Today we're gonna mint an NFT and stand a chance to win $10,000. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So as you can see on Magic Eden, we will mint letters Royale for free. As always, all the links will be in the description box below. Just click on this Magic Eden link from the description box below and open up this page. Then as you can see here, click on this mint here. And the mint ends in 15 hours. Hopefully you will watch this video in time and mint your NFT. So now let's join the Royale. So click on this join the Royale button on the top right corner. Then choose your Phantom wallet. You can also use Soulflare wallet if you would like to use it. But today I will show you how to join the Royale with Phantom wallet. So click on connect and approve the transaction from your wallet. Then on the step 2, you will need to connect your Twitter account. So click on connect. And after connecting your NFT, pass this I'm not a robot test. And as you can see, the option mint your ticket opens. So it says you've already minted using this Twitter account, and I did to test the system to see if it was working. And it doesn't. There's a big hype on it right now. You can mint your ticket after connecting your Phantom wallet and Twitter account. As you can see, the number of players that are joining this event is increasing by second, and the mint ends in 15 hours. So as I said in the beginning of the video, hopefully you will watch this video in time and mint your NFT. You can also sell your tickets. So there's a secondary marketplace for letters Royale on Magic Eden, and as you can see, the floor price is 0.03 Solanas. After minting your NFT, if you'd like, you can sell it on the secondary marketplace. Or if you'd like to increase your chance to win that $10,000 after the end of the game, you can purchase tickets as much as you want. You can see here the floor price is 0.03 Solana. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will find all the necessary links in the description box below. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. I didn't want to keep the video too long because I want every one of you to join this event and stand a chance to win $10,000. Make sure to check out our Instagram page from the links in the description box below, along with our other social media accounts to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.